Hi guys, it's me Emily and welcome back to my channel. For today's video I am going to be showing you all of my favorite must-have products that have helped me get through summer while being pregnant. These are all the products that I have been testing over the last few months, and I wanted to wait until I got a good feel for a lot of them before I put them into a video to kind of show you guys. So these are some of my pregnancy products. I have skincare, hair care, I have some clothing, and then some like miscellaneous items. So a lot of these, yes, are kind of specifically for pregnancy, but a lot of them are also things that I can use after, or even if you're not pregnant, you can still use them. So let me stop talking and let's just jump right in. So the first products I'm going to talk about are actually hair care products, and I found these at Ulta. They are the Monday Smooth Shampoo and Conditioner. I've been using these probably for about 2 months now, just these, when I'm showering, and I have noticed a serious difference in my hair. When I became pregnant, or when I found out I was pregnant, my hair started becoming very, very dry. Granted, it was winter, but then I started using these. They are smooth. They are the smooth ones. For frizzy and dull hair. I have really noticed a difference in the texture of my hair. It's not as dry and it doesn't feel as brittle. And I have noticed less fallout as well. Although that could also be because of the prenatals. But this is by the brand Monday, and they were at Ulta. I'm going to finish off this, and then I know they have some other, they have another line like this with different textures of hair, so I'm hoping I'll be done with this by the time I deliver, and then I can maybe try something else to see what else might work for my hair. But right. So the next two products I have are for like stretch marks when you are pregnant, but you can still use them even if you're not. This is the Bio Oil Skin Oil, and then this is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Lotion for stretch marks. So after I get out of the shower, I will put this all over my belly, and then I'll put this on. I don't know if these products actually prevent stretch marks or anything like that, but it does help the itching that I get around my belly, and it keeps it from feeling dry and dull and getting like that stretchy feeling when you have like really dry skin. So I really love using these products. Again, I don't know if they prevent stretch marks. I think sometimes those are just inevitable, but at least it'll help me feel comfortable, especially if I'm wearing the pregnancy pants that have the belly band that go up here. You're wearing it all day, it feels uncomfortable. These help keep it really moisturized. So a couple beauty products, or I should say skincare products, that I've been really liking during this time of pregnancy is this Biore Charcole Facial Cleanser. It's great for oily skin. It's salicylic acid acne treatment. You break out so much when you're pregnant, and your skin fluctuates all over the place. And I have been having a lot of breakouts this pregnancy, more than I did my first one. This is like a miracle work, and as you can tell, it's like brand new because I just started using it. But again, this might just be in my head, this might just be a gimmick, but I'll use this at night, and I'll wake up the next morning and feel like my skin is not necessarily clear, obviously, because acne doesn't go away that fast, but just feels fresh and doesn't feel so weighed down by the oil, the dryness, whatever it may be. So another facial makeup related product is this Soft Focus Glow Drops by Rodile. It's an illuminating ultimate glow primer. This glass bottle is absolutely gorgeous. And they just look like this. They're just kind of like a cream. Kind of have like a very, well, soft glow. This I'll actually almost just use on its own. Like when I wash my face, if I'm going somewhere and I don't want to do a lot of makeup, I'll put this on, and then I'll put my moisturizer on, or I'll put my moisturizer on and then put this on. It does not leave my face feeling sticky, and it just kind of gives you a nice little glow, especially if your face is feeling really dull, or you don't feel like your skin tone is as nice as it could be and you don't want to put a lot of makeup on, I really will just go in with a little bit of this, rub it on my hands, kind of put it around my cheeks and my chin, my forehead, and then you just kind of have like a nice little summer glow, and it's easy. So stepping away from the makeup and the facial products, we're going to get into some clothing products. Now these ones are, well, this one's not, but a lot of them are for my pregnancy and what has been making me feel comfortable. This was actually the first time that I've had to buy these. These are the bra extenders by Fashion First Aid. Just little clips like this. There's a white, black, and a tan one in here. And they just clip on to your bra. Like you put that on one side and then you have the 3 extenders on the other. So I mean, you can use these at any stage. I feel like when I use these during pregnancy because I'm tired of buying bras because you keep going up in sizes obviously, but I have ones that fit and that work just fine. So I just need something to kind of widen me out a little bit, but I feel like these are absolutely amazing. And again, you don't have to use them just when you're pregnant. You can use them, you know, if you're in between sizes or if you're gaining weight or losing weight or whatever the case may be. Why spend a lot of money buying bras when you can just buy an extender and go from there? And speaking of bras, this is one of my favorite sports bras that I bought a couple months ago, and it has lasted me the last few months of my pregnancy. It is this sports bra. It does not clip in the back. This is by Jockey. This is a size small, and it still fits me, which I'm actually kind of impressed by. Let's see. It just looks like this. It's got a nice bottom band, which is really thick. It's very stretchy. The cup size is really nice, and it's got a good dip in it, so you can wear it with a lot of different types of shirts and tank tops. So comfortable. It's not, like, it is padded, but it's not like a push-up or anything. It's just a really, really comfortable bra. I'll probably actually buy one size up for after I'm done, just so I have a little more comfort, because I feel like when, you know, at the end of your pregnancy you get a little bigger and you want something that's just a little more comfortable. But this is actually really, really nice. I really like it. And again, it's not a maternity bra at all. I think I just bought this at Kohls or Target or something like that, and it just fits well for pregnancy, you know, but you can get it if you're not. I feel like it's really comfortable, and after I'm done, I'll probably still continue using it. So this tank top was designed specifically for maternity wear. This is the Isabel Maternity by Ingrid and Isabel. This is at Target. It's just a white tank top, and as you can see, kind of like this little egg shape in the middle. It's for your belly. And then the back, I don't know if you can see, but it's got like this ruching on it, which is super, super stretchy. This is the small medium, and it kind of gives the feel of wearing a belly band, but in like a tank top form. It's really comfortable. It keeps everything in place. And I hate the fact that I just discovered this because it's so stretchy. It's really comfortable. It is long, so you can wear it with, you know, your jeans and, you know, whatever else is making you comfortable. And it doesn't ride up. It doesn't bunch up at the bottom. It stays in place. You can tuck it in and it'll stay, and it just kind of gives you a little bit of breathing room as well. Like, it doesn't make you hot, like it lets air through, so it kind of keeps you ventilated a little bit, but I love it. Probably will maybe find it in black. I only got it in white because I was a little skeptical about it, but I think it's super, super comfortable. And again, you can wear this even, it is a maternity tank top, but I feel like you can even wear it postpartum to kind of help keep everything together and make you feel comfortable for afterwards. I've had such a hard time trying to find comfortable slippers for my pregnancy because my feet are getting swollen I'm not wearing shoes all day. When I get home, I want to take them off and throw on my slippers. So I have ordered probably 4 pairs from Amazon and sent them all back. And these are probably the first ones that I bought that are actually really comfortable. They don't have a name on them, but I will link them down below because I just bought them, so I know where the link is. They look like this. They just have this kind of like cable knit, and then they have the fur line, and they're pretty thick. The soles are super plush. They are so comfortable, and they don't make my feet hot either. Like, it's the middle of July, obviously. You're probably like, why are you wearing slippers in the middle of July? My house is cold and my feet are cold. So, but I like these because even if I step outside when it's 90 degrees, my feet don't feel hot and they're not sweating. So I really like them, but I can walk around on them all day and my feet are still really comfortable. Now, I don't know how long they'll last. I think I just bought these a few weeks ago, maybe a month ago. So I'll probably end up buying another pair in like a month or so. I go through slippers fairly quickly because I wear them a lot. But these are probably my favorite that I have so far. I had a pair the last time I was pregnant that lasted me almost 2 years. So maybe they'll last that long. I don't know. Wishful thinking. But for now, they do an amazing job and my feet are really comfortable. So the last product that I'm going to talk about is something that you kind of have to be careful about when you're pregnant. This is the Papillion back massager. It's real small. It has, I mean, there's a cord it's plugged in, but you can plug it in. You can even take it on the go with you because it has like a car, like a carport or whatever you want to call it. But it is a back massager, and it has made a world of difference. I think I bought this during like that Prime Day sale or that Prime sale or whatever. I wish I had found this sooner. Obviously, when you're pregnant, you have to be really careful with massages and like certain trigger points and things like that. So I don't use this often, but after my day, if I'm laying in bed, I'll use this on my back and I'll kind of put it in place. Like, I'll put it on my lower back for 2 minutes. I'll keep moving it up, and I'll do that for probably 10 minutes or so, and then I'll go back down my back, and it just kind of helps relieve any tension or back pain that I might be having before I go to bed. And I have found that it helps me sleep so much better when I do use it. Obviously not 100%, but I can fall asleep faster and my back isn't hurting. I'll even put this under my legs, like under one leg at a time, and it just rotates in like 2 directions. Like, it goes one way and then it goes the other way. But it also just kind of helps relax me a little bit more. And obviously you can use it at any point during your pregnancy, after your pregnancy, if you're not pregnant, men, women, obviously anything or anybody. But during pregnancy, it has been a lifesaver. And again, I wish I had found this sooner because I would have slept a lot better, I'm sure. Alright guys, and that is it. Just a little bit of a product overview of things that I have been loving, things that have been making me feel a little more comfortable during pregnancy, things that obviously are not really pregnancy related, but I've been using, I've been loving. And obviously you guys have probably used some of these products before. Again, they're not specifically designed or made for pregnancy, but they have helped make things a little more easy and smooth for me. So I will link everything down below for what I can find. And I do hope to kind of do another video of what's in my hospital bag, because I have definitely learned my lesson from the last I was pregnant of things that I need and things that I don't need, which is really important. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And as always, I will be sure to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!